So this video is going to be over the new ticketing system that we have. At the bottom, I'm going to go to tickets at the right. And just to clarify, this ticketing system is only for the fire department. This does not communicate with fleet or IT or anybody else. It's just us, right? It's just a way for us to keep track of what's going on a little bit better. Okay, so the way that this is going to be used most often is through the apparatus checks, right? Right now we're under the equipment tab. If I want to change it to vehicles, I'm going to hit equipment, the word equipment at the top. It's going to bring up this menu and I'm going to hit vehicles. Now I'm under the vehicles tab, okay? So let's say I want to create a ticket for this. I'm going to go to apparatus and we'll use Battalion 1 Reserve as an example because it's right here and it's in reserve. All right, so I can see the checks. I'll hit start check, the big blue button, and then I'll do apparatus check. Okay, so I'm going to fill out some information for it, just like this. And then I'm going to go down and start passing it. I'm doing my check. And then let's say that the lights aren't working. And we'll say that lights not working. Okay, hit save, and then we'll keep doing our check. Keep coming through here. All right, so now we'll hit submit report, send. We'll go back from the top left. All right, now we're back at the vehicle homepage. We'll go to tickets at the bottom right. All right, now under vehicles, we can see Battalion 1 Reserve has an electrical problem with the indicator lights. All right, so I'll click on it. And then at the top underneath indicator four-way lights, you can see my description. I wrote lights not working. It was by me. I made the report. And then whoever's in charge or whoever views this can leave a comment. Say that they can say known issue for the past month, right? And now that's listed under this report. And as it progresses, if it goes to fleet, you can hit this little pencil at the bottom right, okay? And where it says status right here, where it says status report, you click that, and then you can move it to in repair. And then you'll hit save, and then we hit back at the top left. And now it will be moved from report to in repair. We'll have to go back to it. All right. So in order to reload a page, sometimes you have to go to a tab and then come back to that tab. And then we scroll to the right here, and now we can see Battalion 1 is in repair. All right, there's two more tabs. There's QA and back in service. All right, if I want to put it back in service, I click on Battalion 1 Reserve. I click the pencil. I click the status in repair, and then I put back in service. And then I hit save. I hit back. It still shows it in repair. I'm going to switch to the equipment tab and then back. And now it has it under back in service. Okay. That's how you use that. It's the same for the equipment. But let's say you want a piece of inventory like you swung a Halligan really hard at something and it broke it, or something happened to a tool. All right, you would hit the plus button at the bottom, create ticket, and we'll write broken Halligan. Swung Halligan too hard. Okay, ticket type, and it comes up with this this list. You're just going to pick something that matches what's going on as best as you can. I tried to make them as generic as possible. This will be under tools. User, that's me. So Crittenden Kennedy, and it was on engine 1. Okay. And you don't have to select equipment item because it's not going to be listed under there. It's just an inventory item. So broken Halligan, sorry, I misspelled swung. Swung Halligan too hard, listed under tools, my name, engine one, and I can add a picture of my broken Halligan, and then I can hit save. All right, so now it's listed under the report status, and it's under engine one. I can click on it. I can leave a comment like I did with the battalion truck, and I can edit it, and then I can fix it, put it in repair, or put it back in service. Then I hit save, back, I reload the page, and now it's back in service. Okay? And it's the same for your PPE, like this one. So my coat had a rip or tear, it got repaired, and then I put it back in service. Right? And so that's how you use the new ticketing system.